It's
Thank
okay.
you.
It's all right. Okay, we can be friends now. Listen, it looks mad.
Yeah.
It looks mad. I watched the trailer. I'm not a very huge fan of action, or
Okay.
I thought I wasn't till I watched the trailer, and then I was just like, 1 second. Then I watched the 2 episodes. You've done all your stunts yourself,
About 80% of them.
which is mad. It's crazy what we saw, and then it's great. I had a really good time. But tell me something. When you started work, it's one thing, like you said, if you've done 80% of the stunts, it's one thing acting like you're doing action. It's one thing actually doing action.
Oh, yeah.
What do you like more?
I don't like actually fighting,
Yeah.
even though I think I could probably
someone up, yeah.
beat someone up.
You would, yeah.
I think I could. But I'm non-violent as a person.
Okay, good.
I'm very Gandhi in that way. I believe in peace and non-violence. But my characters don't.
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
believe in speaking with their fists.
Yeah.
But I have done stunts for a very long time. I've done action movies and Hindi movies as well. So I trust my body. As a technician, when it comes to stunts, I'm not someone who's stupid. I won't, like I hardly ever have made contact or ever gotten someone else hurt. I remember once in Jai Gangajal, I was filming with Manav, and you know, I was on a rig, and I was supposed to kick him on his chest, and the rig went a little bit higher, and I kicked him on his neck. Obviously, that's like a sensitive place, and you're not supposed. He was padded here, but obviously not padded on his neck. I cannot tell you. It was the first time I had like made contact during stunts. I was shaking. I sat down. I was crying, and I was like, and he was fine. He was laughing after 5 minutes, but it just. So I take
After 5 minutes being the keyword.
You know, and after 5 minutes, he was fine.
Yeah.
But it shook me so much. So I'm very careful. And I'm not someone who does it for bravado. I know this is a technical job, which is why I've done about 80% myself. So when it's like the big throws where you don't see my face, that my amazing stunt double Anisha did.
So in the second episode, when he finds you,
Yeah.
and then you get thrown off the table and you fall down.
That was Anisha.
Okay, good. Because I was just like, 1 second, she did what? That was crazy.
That one was Anisha, but when he picks me up.
Yeah, then you're there.
And the throw, I landed on a mat. And so the throw is me, and the landing was her.
It was her.
You know what
on
I mean?
the table.
Yeah, on the table.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That was
yeah.
crazy. So the Russo brothers, how does one land a project with them? I'm asking for a friend.
They love making anything that's bigger and bigger and bigger. I actually didn't land the show because I knew the Russos. Just like your friend, I didn't have access to them either. But I had just finished Quantico, if I'll take you back in time, and this is about 5 years ago. I just finished Quantico. I was very exhausted because, you know, that was like, it's a network show, so it's like a serial.
Yeah.
So I had 22 episodes in 1 year. It was
a much
11
longer
months. It was a
commitment,
huge show.
Yeah.
3 years of playing the same character. So I was just like really exhausted. I didn't want to do television. I wanted to do features for a little while because I'd always done features. So I was meeting Jennifer Salke, who had just become the head of Amazon Studios over there, to like see what they were doing, if we could do something together. And she pitched this show to me. She's like, actually, I have this idea. Aditi.
Wow.
Yeah.
Fun. Very important question. जो मेरे को जानना है personally, as someone, I mean, you hear this all the time, but I'm going to say this for myself. But I've been a fan of the work that you do. But मुझे मूवी से ज़्यादा आपके इंटरव्यूज देखना पसंद है, या मुझे आपके you have no clue how much time I've spent in just like pap spottings of you. ये ना compilations हैं YouTube पे जहाँ पे you were spotted here, yeah, you were spotted here, you were spotted there. And मैं honestly, I look at the way you are, I look at the way you talk to people when you meet them. There was this one where you got out of your car and there were fans standing, और आप सबसे मिल रहे थे, and then you went on. And I've seen this with so many people. I remember meeting one actor, and she met me so warmly, and she's like, oh. And the minute I went away, her smile went off. And I was just like, I have trust issues now. Like she just went, oh yeah, best of luck. And she moved, and I was like, 1 second, who was that? But जब मैंने आपके videos देखे, तो I saw you exit, and you walked away, and you were still talking, and you still had, and I was like, okay, fine, this is more. So I've been a fan, so I wanted to know this. आपने जब काम शुरू करा, it started here, and then you kept doing things that were, like we spoke about, that kept changing the graph of everything that you were doing. You were at the peak of being as comfortable. Honestly, I'm not speaking as an artist, but positioning-wise, impact-wise, sales-wise, reach-wise. when you took a huge decision to kind of push the envelope even further, did it get uncomfortable then? Or was it still comfortable and it just looked uncomfortable to us and we felt like you're taking a huge step, but it was calculated and you knew what you were doing?
I've taken a few of these.
When you moved to actually start moving...
When I started doing music or something?
Music, yes.
When I
but
started
also,
working in America, you mean?
Yeah, also like when the audience just kind of was not just Indian anymore. It was
Okay, got you.
the whole world.
Yeah.
That's a huge responsibility. That's a lot more added pressure. For me, sitting back, looking at you as a fan, I just feel like, wow, she was at her game and then she kind of pushed it even further. Was it uncomfortable for you then?
Yeah, girl. What are you talking about?
okay, good.
My job is uncomfortable. You're becoming an actor. Good luck. Try looking for consistency in that job. You're basically a freelancer,
Yeah.
right? When you're an actor,
Yeah.
your next check comes from the next job you get.
Yeah.
You don't know where money is coming from. You
Or
don't know how
when.
you're going to pay your
Yeah.
bills. You don't know when it's going to come. Many
Yeah.
times,
Yeah.
like some people just come and tell you, "Ab to paise hi nahi hai mere ko."
No.
I've had that happen with so many producers. "Ab to paise nahi, aapke baaki paise nahi de sakte." Like, you know, so you have to think about the pragmatic side of your life,
Yeah.
which a lot of people don't kind of think about when we think about actors. We just see the glitz and the glam, and you're like, their life must be super comfortable.
Lucky
and
her.
Lucky her and all that. No, there were times where I was like, how am I going to pay my bills, you know? So there's the practical side of that. So the job in general is uncomfortable. The scrutiny that comes along with it, the nature of judgment that comes along with being a public person, the fact that your dinner table conversation बन जाते हो आप और आप उसके बारे में कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते because एक public person जब इंसान बनता है तो you're public consumption. And मैंने शुरुआत की थी 18 साल की उम्र में. मैं बहुत छोटी थी, मुझे समझ नहीं थी इतनी कि इस इंडस्ट्री का मतलब क्या होता है, इस काम का मतलब क्या होता है. 18 साल की उम्र में मैं सनी देओल, अनिल कपूर ऐसे एक्टर्स के साथ काम कर रही हूँ जिनको मैंने फिल्मों में ही देखा था. You know, so it was all uncomfortable. So I think I reached a place of comfort now where after about, and still I'm still uncomfortable, I'll tell you, because I still have to figure out what's the next step. What's my next job? I took a year off when I had my daughter after Citadel, and I literally called my agents and said, I have to be on set in the summer. Where can I go? Who am I meeting? I have to have a job. You know, so I started taking meetings, I started doing auditions, and now, I mean, I have my next job, but it's still like, you've got to, it's all uncomfortable.
It never gets comfortable.
It never gets comfortable, or at least not for me. I'm not someone who rests on my laurels. I've never rested on my laurels because I think that's when your trajectory or आपकी जो ascend होती है, आप ऊपर जब चढ़ते हो, अगला step वो खत्म हो जाता है. जैसे आप बैठोगे बोलोगे, अरे वाह मेरी last picture ने तो इतना अच्छा किया, अब मैं 3 साल के लिए कुछ नहीं करूँगा. Maybe आपको कोई याद नहीं रखेगा उसके बाद. और at least as a female actor, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा prevalent था मेरी ज़िंदगी में कि you know अगली फिल्म क्या होगी, अगला रोल क्या होगा, क्योंकि मेरे साथ बैठ के कोई फिल्में नहीं बना रहा था, you know, especially in the Hindi film industry. It took a lot of fighting and saying कि ठीक है मैं छोटी फिल्म करूँगी अगर मेरे बलबूते पे होगा, लेकिन मैं उसको अच्छी करूँगी. जैसे फैशन जब मैंने की, तब मुझे कितने सारे लोगों ने बोला था उस ज़माने में कि ये तो आप हीरोइनें अपने करियर के एंड में करती हैं जब उनको नेशनल अवार्ड चाहिए होता है. हीरोइनें अपने करियर के एंड में अपने शोल्डर्स पे फिल्में लेती हैं क्योंकि तब उनको हीरोज के साथ काम नहीं मिल रहा होता है. You know, that is why they do those films.
Citadel के, so it has action, it has romance. If I had to ask you, अब Indian audience है जो देखेंगे, obviously देखेंगे, but if you had to say 3 things which are like so masala in Citadel that it's unbelievable, what would they be?
Actually किसी ने मुझसे पूछा था कि Citadel Indian audiences को क्यों पसंद आएगा.
That would have been a better way of framing this question.
कि इंडियन ऑडियंसेस को सिटाडेल क्यों पसंद आएगा. बेसिकली ये मसाला ब्लॉकबस्टर है. तो आपको रोमांस मिलेगा, आपको ड्रामा मिलेगा, आपको यू नो कॉम्प्लिकेशंस मिलेंगे, आपको वो सारी गोल्डन मज़ेदार चीज़ें मिलेंगी. बस सॉन्ग एंड डांस नहीं है, लेकिन म्यूजिक है. वी हैव सम रियली अमेजिंग म्यूजिक इन द मूवी. बस मैं डांस नहीं करती हूँ कि नाडिया को आई डोंट थिंक डांस वांस आता है. और उसने ट्राई नहीं किया. आई थिंक वो कर लेगी, अगर वो ट्रेन करेगी तो कर लेगी. वो कुछ भी कर सकती है. आई थिंक
if she was not backstopped.
Yeah, if she was not backstopped.
But it's coming out after.
No, I'm just joking.
Oh, sorry,
it's building anticipation.
Oh, yes. What is backstop?
क्या होता है?
There we go. We have the trailer.
I'm giving you content mostly same.
I'm sorry, my bad.
No, but I think that Indian audiences will love Citadel क्योंकि पहली बात तो ये 6 लैंग्वेजेस में होगा. इसको डब किया गया है, इसको आप सबटाइटल से देख सकते हैं ओरिजिनल इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में या जिस लैंग्वेज में आप पसंद करते हैं या अपने कंटेंट को कंज्यूम करते हैं. सेकंड ऑफ ऑल इसमें हर वो चीज़ है जो हमको एज एन ऑडियंस पसंद आती है हमारी फिल्मों में. So I think, and it's 6 episodes, and it's really tight. It flies
it's
really
6?
fast. It's 6 episodes.
Oh shit! Why did I hear there was 10? I'm sorry, my
No,
bad.
it's just 6 episodes. It's a mini series, and I think because it goes by so fast, I think Indian audiences को ये बहुत पसंद आएगी. And plus the connection with the Indian show, जो आप देखेंगे. तो जब आप Indian show देखेंगे, तब आपको पता चलेगा कि मेरे किरदार और रिचर्ड के किरदार का इस Indian show से क्या connection है. So it's really like convoluted and fun.
Spy universe. Fun. This is very exciting. I'm really, really looking forward to it. Also, what I liked in the first 2 episodes is कि 2 episode निकल गए पूरे के पूरे, and I feel like now is when it's going to start.
Yeah.
क्योंकि but कहीं पे भी ऐसे नहीं लगा कि अच्छा and then what? फिर क्या हुआ? ठीक है. Like बिल्कुल कहीं पे भी it doesn't slow down. It doesn't stop. Not for 1 second could I look away from the screen.
Yeah. It's very fast.
Yeah, it's very, very fast, and still I feel like 3rd episode में actually मजा शुरू होगा.
क्योंकि अब दोनों
साथ आ गए. All of that has happened. It's quite fun. Yeah. Watch out. Oh, I'm so excited for this. This was great. Priyanka, thank you so much.
Prajakta.
And thank you. I'll say this as an actor and as a content creator and as a woman. That thank you so much for kind of not listening to what you were told and not following what everybody else kept doing, because you've paved a path for many, many, many women like me. And I appreciate that, because then I wouldn't know what to do.
Oh, no, you know what to do. You know what to do. You're making such incredible choices. Like I told you last night, I think that, I follow you, obviously. I see all the stuff that you're doing and I see the choices you're making. Don't tell yourself that you don't know what to do.
But
you
it's
know.
always nicer when you look at someone you really love and you're like, yeah, well, she did it and I could do it too. That's what I mean.
And you
I
could do your
appreciate
own version of it. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I already exist.
that. Okay, good.
Who are you?
I'm mostly sane. Like
Exactly.
and
Mostly.
subscribe. Mostly. Thank you so much. This was great. Best of luck for Citadel.
Thank you so much.
And yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget, I come up with new videos every Tuesday and Saturday. I'm going to see you again soon. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you should do it because it's free.
It's free.
100%.
It's free.
It's free.
We love free shit.
All right. Yes, Citadel releases on Prime Video on the 28th of April.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't miss it. All right. Love, love.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Prajakta.